Do you ever feel nervous when speaking English? Maybe your voice becomes quiet, your words disappear, and suddenly your mind goes blank. You know the sentence, you know the words, but when it's time to speak, your confidence disappears. You start thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh? What if my accent sounds strange? Stop. Breathe. Today's lesson is your English confidence boost. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak English clearly, confidently, and naturally. In this episode, you'll learn 10 powerful tips to help you speak louder and with confidence. Improve your pronunciation and clarity. Use rhythm, emotion, and shadowing to sound more natural. Train your brain to think in English, not translate. Confidence isn't just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about how you use your voice. When your voice is strong, your mind becomes strong. When you speak clearly, people listen. And when people listen, your confidence grows. So today we'll train your voice plus mindset pronunciation together. You'll repeat with me slowly, clearly, and naturally. You'll feel your English flow like music. Let's begin your English confidence journey. But first, hit that subscribe button so you never miss your next confidence lesson. And comment below. I will speak English loudly and clearly. Tip 1. Stand tall. Speak strong. Confidence begins with your body. If your shoulders are down, your voice becomes weak. If your posture is small, your words sound small. When you stand tall, your lungs open, your energy rises, and your voice becomes strong. Try this. 1. Stand up straight. 2. Open your chest. 3. Smile. 4. Speak this sentence. I can speak English clearly. Now shadow with me. Slow. I can speak English clearly. Normal. I can speak English clearly. Natural. I can speak English clearly. Hear the difference? Your voice is louder, your energy higher. Pronunciation tip. Emphasize speaking clearly. Say it with rhythm. Speak clearly. It's not just about sound, it's about confidence energy. Mini challenge. Every morning stand tall in front of a mirror and say, I can speak English clearly. Repeat 3 times. Look into your eyes and smile. Comment. I will practice standing tall when I speak English. Tip 2. Breathe before you speak. Many learners forget to breathe before speaking. When you don't breathe, your voice becomes tight, your words sound rushed. Confidence needs air. Before speaking English, take a deep breath, like this. Inhale slowly, hold, and speak. Example sentences. I'm ready to speak. I believe in my English. My words are powerful. Slow. My words are powerful. Normal. My words are powerful. Natural. My words are powerful. Feel the air support your sound? That's confidence breathing. Pronunciation tip. Don't rush. Each word should flow from your breath. This helps with clarity and natural rhythm. Mini challenge. Before every conversation, take 1 deep breath. Say to yourself, I'm calm. I'm confident. I can do this. Comment. I will breathe before I speak English today. Tip 3. Use your hands when you speak. Did you know native speakers use their hands a lot? Gestures help you express emotion and connect your brain to your words. Try this. When you say hello, wave your hand. When you say I did it, raise your hand with energy. Your body adds meaning, and your voice becomes stronger. Example sentences. I can do it. This is my idea. I'm proud of myself. Slow. I can do it. Normal. I can do it. Natural. I can do it. Pronunciation tip. Add emotion when you move. Your tone rises with your hand. Confidence flows through movement. Mini challenge. Record a short video of yourself speaking English with hand gestures. You'll see how natural and expressive you sound. Comment. I will use my hands when I speak English. Tip 4. Smile while speaking. Smiling changes your sound. When you smile, your mouth opens correctly. Your vowels become clear and your voice becomes warm. Say this while smiling. Hi, nice to meet you. Now say it without smiling. Sounds flat, right? Slow. Hi, nice to meet you. Normal. Hi, nice to meet you. Natural. Hi, nice to meet you. A smile adds energy, emotion, and friendliness. Pronunciation tip. The muscles of your face shape your pronunciation. Smile to improve sounds like E in meet or A in say. Mini challenge. Speak 5 English sentences today. Always smiling. Your mood and confidence will rise instantly. Comment. I will smile while I speak English. Tip 5. Slow down to sound clear. Many learners think speaking fast equals fluency. But speaking clearly is more powerful than speaking fast. Native speakers pause, breathe, and use rhythm. When you slow down, people understand you and you sound confident. Example sentences. I need some water. I like your idea. Can we talk tomorrow? Slow. Can we talk tomorrow? Normal. Can we talk tomorrow? Natural. Can we talk tomorrow? Pronunciation tip. Focus on stress. In English, not every word is equal. Say, can we talk tomorrow? Hear the rhythm? That's clarity. Mini challenge. Record your voice twice. One fast, one slow. You'll notice how the slower version sounds clearer and more confident. Comment. I will slow down when I speak English. Tip 6. Use power words. Some learners speak English with soft, flat energy. Their words are correct, but their voice doesn't connect. Power comes from emotion. Power words are small but strong. They add life and confidence to your sentences. Words like yes, great, sure, really, wow, exactly, awesome. These are the sounds of confidence. When you speak English, use these words to show energy. Yes, I can. Exactly, that's true. That's amazing. Now, shadow with me. Slow. Yes, I can. Normal. Yes, I can. Natural. Yes, I can. Did you hear how your voice got brighter? That's vocal energy. Confidence lives in your tone, not your grammar. Pronunciation tip. When you use power words, open your mouth fully. Let the sound come from your chest, not your throat. This makes your voice sound strong and clear. Mini challenge. Today, use at least 3 power words in your English conversations or self-practice. Say them with emotion, like you mean it. Comment below. I will use power words with energy. Tip 7. Record and listen to yourself. This tip scares many learners, but it's one of the fastest ways to grow confidence. Recording your voice lets you see your progress and fix your pronunciation. When you listen to yourself, you'll notice things you never realized: your rhythm, your tone, your pauses. Don't judge yourself, just learn. Try these sentences. I'm improving every day. My English sounds better now. Now shadow them. Slow. I'm improving every day. Normal. I'm improving every day. Natural. I'm improving every day. Pronunciation tip. When you record, smile while you speak. It changes your tone. And after listening, clap for yourself, because confidence comes from noticing growth, not perfection. Mini challenge: record one short clip of yourself speaking English daily for 1 week. You'll be amazed by your progress. Comment: I will record my English voice today. Tip 8. Practice in front of a mirror. Your mirror is your most honest English coach. When you see yourself speaking, you fix posture, pronunciation, and expression all at once. Stand in front of a mirror, look into your own eyes, smile. Then say, I can speak English with confidence. I sound better every day. Shadow with me, slow. I sound better every day. Normal. I sound better every day. Natural. I sound better every day. Pronunciation tip. Watch how your mouth moves. For sounds like T in thank you, your tongue comes out a little. For V in very, your teeth touch your lip. Mini challenge. Do a 2-minute mirror talk every morning. Smile, make gestures, and pretend you're teaching English. It builds body confidence and emotional strength. Comment: I will practice English in the mirror today. Tip 9. Copy native intonation. English is not only about words, it's about music. Native speakers use melody in their voice. They rise and fall to show meaning and emotion. Listen. Really? Voice goes up. Okay. It voice goes down. Confirmation. That's amazing. High emotion. Now try it. Really? Normal. Really? Natural. Really? Pronunciation tip. Copy how natives stretch or shorten sounds. For example, so good or no way. Intonation gives your English rhythm and feeling. Mini challenge. Choose one English video, movie, vlog, or podcast. Repeat one short line 3 times. Match the tone, emotion, and speed. Comment: I will copy native intonation today. Tip 10. Speak every day, even alone. The biggest secret to confidence? Daily practice. Don't wait for someone to talk to you. Be your own conversation partner. You can speak anywhere: walking, driving, cooking, showering. Describe what you see and what you feel. Example: the sky is blue. I'm walking to work. I feel great today. Slow: I feel great today. Normal: I feel great today. Natural: I feel great today. Pronunciation tip. Speak clearly, not fast. Add small emotions. When you say I feel great, smile. It makes your sound more natural. Mini challenge. Speak English aloud for 5 minutes every day. No excuses. Even 1 minute counts. The more you speak, the more your fear disappears. Comment: I will speak English every day. Conclusion: let's quickly review your 10 confidence boost tips. 1. Stand tall. Speak strong. 2. Breathe before speaking. 3. Use your hands. 4. Smile while you talk. 5. Slow down. 6. Use power words. 7. Record your voice. 8. Practice in the mirror. 9. Copy native intonation. Speak every day. Confidence is not grammar, it's energy. It's your willingness to speak, make mistakes, and grow louder every time. You don't need perfect English. You need brave English. When you use your body, voice, and rhythm together, you sound alive, not robotic. Every mistake is proof that you are learning. Every try makes your English stronger. So today, promise yourself, I will speak English loudly and clearly. Keep shadowing these tips every week. Repeat with energy, practice daily. And remember, you are part of Slow English Lab, where confidence becomes your accent. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I will speak English with confidence every day. Because your English voice matters. Let the world hear it.